Shiba Inu coin investors, what's happening? We just got CPI numbers here this morning, and I'm making a play on Shiba Inu. Now, listen, I have some long term bags that I'm not touching for a while. Those are my long term bags of Shiba Inu. But in times like this, the bear market has been lasting for a while now. We can almost predict what these markets are going to do in between times like this. We just had the CPI data come out. We won't hear from Jerome Powell until November 2nd. Well, I'm making a play on Shiba Inu. I'm already up a whopping $12. Now, it might not sound like much, but it might turn into a little bit more. I just put in $500 into SHIB at the 9.4 level, okay? So basically, I was watching the charts this morning as things were dipping. Here was the big dip. This is the 1 minute chart, by the way. And yes, I did this on my live stream while I was streaming. I went off camera for a minute, just made a quick little purchase on my app, and I'm happy with where I'm at right now. And this is how you could play the markets a little bit here in a bear market. I'm not doing anything crazy here, but I think I can make a little bit of scratch here leading up to the November 2nd meeting with Jay Powell. I'll be looking to sell before then, especially if we get somewhat of confirmation that we're looking at a 75 basis point hike again, which is very, very likely, by the way. After the CPI numbers come out today, we're at 8.2%. We were expected to be at 8.1%. We're a tick higher on that 8.2% level. But again, look at this market and how it's bounced. You could see here on these couple green candlesticks, this is where I said, okay, here's my time. Right. So right after we got about 3 or 4 green candlesticks, I got it at about the 946 range, somewhere right in here. It was actually a little bit higher, 945, somewhere in here, 946. Right in here is where I got my position. We're sitting right now at the 968. We'll see what happens here. Looks like we might bounce off this little support that we just grabbed here just about 20 minutes ago. And I'm going to play it. And now here's the thing. If things collapse further, it then becomes a situation where I'll look to just hold or maybe even dollar cost average down if I get down below my strike price. But I'm playing my cards here, and no matter what, even when I'm swing trading assets that if the trade goes wrong, it becomes a longer hold for me, right? That's the way I'm playing this. So again, I threw 500 bucks in at the 9.4 range here. I love when SHIB goes to 5 zeros. Absolutely love it. We've been talking about that for quite some time. And, the CPI data we got today, this is September, baked in here. You can see we're slowly coming down. Inflation is slowly coming down due to, us peaking it up over 9% back in June, but it's just not rapid right now. And I don't think it will be. It's just a lot of work to be done here still in bringing down inflation. But hey, we're going to try to make a little bit of a swing trade here, make some plays while this market is maybe bouncing back a little bit. If we jump over to Bitcoin in the last hour, we're up 0.61%. You could see Bitcoin got down to about 18.1 on its low point. It has bounced back now, sitting at 18.442. We'll see if we go down and retest this low again. This says 18.3, but really we got down to about 18.1 when we look over on TradingView. There's just so many opportunities out there. Shiba Inu, Cardano's hitting yearly lows, just across the board. So many options. And again, you don't have to be swing trading here. You could just be adding to your long-term bags. I'm totally cool with that. I mean, look at BNB down here at 262. Cardano's still at 36 cents. By the way, I made a little play on Cardano, a little swing trade too. I added to my long-term bag and opened up a little swing trading bag to see if we can get a little bit of a pop in the price here in October off of this data. Maybe the bottom is baked in. It's a bet, right? But it's a bet I'm willing to take because if I miss out on it and I'm not right, it just becomes long-term holds and I'm still in at a really good price point. So I look at it as a win-win right now, right? So that's what I did here this morning. And we'll track Shiba Inu and kind of see where we go from here. There you go. SHIB's now back up to the 9.7 range. Hell yeah. That's what I like to see right there. So we could be bouncing up here shortly on TradingView. I don't know which data is actually ahead of the other. Let me refresh this. Let's see if it's actually bouncing a little bit. Now we're on Bitcoin. There's the Bitcoin 1 minute chart, by the way, after the big sell-off. Slowly but surely, we're making our way back up very slowly. But let's take a look at SHIB here. And one last time. There we go. 968. Hopefully we can bounce back up here and get back into the tens later today. We shall see what happens here. And we'll keep tabs on it for you for sure. Thank you so much for popping in. But that's kind of where my head's at right now, making a couple short-term plays, but also adding to some long-term bags. It's tough out there because you got to make some difficult decisions. There's so many things on sale, right? But thanks again for popping in. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you all in the next video.